Okay, so today we will be doing interesting experiment with this Carly adapter, which says it can detect mileage frauds. So right now we have this Passat, over 600,000 kilometers. But let's change that. And we can do 300,000. So right now we have over 600. Let's change mileage. Success. So we have 300,000 kilometers. Now let's connect the Carly adapter. Carly, let's connect to car. Okay, now it is connecting. Now go to used car check and check car's mileage. Start the used car check. Used car check is finished. Let's check the results. Carly has detected no tampering. So, what this means? No manipulation detected. So, Carly used car check is completely useless and never rely on it to check for mileage frauds, because as you can see, it cannot detect it reliably.